biking home?
Yeah.
I'm walking home.
Well, we're going fast.
Fast walk home? Don't want me to fall? I'm sorry, but how did that sound normal?
Like you run on a bus, you're gonna dash.
How did that bell sound better? Please stop for me. Oh, I'm gonna seriously report to everyone. Far better drivers than this. You go down first. It says, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
I enjoyed this. Bye. There could be better drivers than that. That was 1905. With an absolute. Ham. Sorry, but ham. I don't like that. Leggings. I'm gonna have to end the video while I'm crossing over.
I'm gonna take paper for walk.
That's it.